Hi there. Welcome to our cozy English corner again.
When you connect the language to your emotions, not just your memory.
Yes, I feel that too. My English personality is a little different from my Russian one. Not better or worse, just different, softer maybe, lighter. And when I think in English, it feels more intuitive.
Exactly. A new language gives you new emotional colors.
I love how you said that.
And the more comfortable people feel with this English self, the easier it becomes to think in English, because they're not fighting with it, they're letting it exist.
And not comparing it with their native language self.
Yes, comparison kills progress, allowing
Journaling. Thinking in English becomes easier when you write your thoughts in English. You don't need